Y'all doing? Y'all doing good? Y'all all right? Y'all all right? All right, all right. All right. Thank you for tuning in with Dining with Zion. And today, we got the one and only Popeyes chicken sandwich. We got the spicy, baby. That's what we got. Yes, I have been hearing about the rant and the raving about Chick-fil-A and Popeyes chicken. Now, I've already had a little taste of the Chick-fil-A. So now let's get a taste of this chicken. And me, I love me some chicken. So I have already did my prayers up off the camera because I need to fall all up in this plate. But before I do, let's go ahead and tell you what I got on this plate. So I got me some spicy Popeyes chicken sandwich. I got me some French fries. And if you don't know, now you're gonna know. Some sweet heat sauce. Y'all gotta try this sweet heat sauce. So good. So good with some French fries. I also got me some ketchup down here. And because I want all diverse flavors, I want to go ahead and try this barbecue sauce as well too with this chicken. That's right. I want to try it all. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so this thing, let's see, we gotta dissect it first. All right, it's got some sauce on it, that little spicy. It's got pickles in it, and it's got some crispy chicken. Y'all gotta see that. Y'all see that? Now I'm gonna give my review in just a moment, but so far, so good. It's spicy. It's got some bite to it. It's got some crunch to it too. It's got some seasoning on that thing. You can even see the little spices that's on here. It's got some layers of crispy. Well, when I went over to Popeye's chicken, there was like 15 people deep getting this chicken sandwich. Man, I have heard that people was running out of the chicken sandwich.
So we are all out of chicken and we are closed for the rest of the day. Thank you and have a blessed day.
That's how popular it is right now. I was like, oh, I got to try this. I got to try this. Y'all. Look. Ooh.
Got him!
Ooh, that got some kick in it. Okay. What? Y'all gotta see this sauce right here. This sauce good. Can y'all see that? This good, good right here. This is good, good. Yes. Mm. Mm. I don't normally eat my sandwiches with pickles in it, but this is good. Okay. Mmm. Yum, yum. Mmm. 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 Oh, so good. Mmm. Y'all see that? Mmm. 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 Man, y'all want a little extra kick? Get the sweet heat sauce. Mmm. So good. A sweet heat sauce. It's tangy, but it's sweet too. Mmm. Yes. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, I was going to Popeyes chicken. Man, by the time that I finished ordering my chicken sandwich, it was this lady, and she was getting upset because after after they took my order and took like 10 people's orders, and we was waiting because every single person was ordering this sandwich. I was like, man, I got to try this. Mmm. Hmm. Yes. Mm. One lady, she started getting upset. In the line, I was like, is that serious? This chicken is serious. You don't mess with people and they chicken. But this salmon, I like a little more spice, so this sweet heat, y'all gotta get it. I didn't even open the barbecue sauce. Since I got a little left, might as well go ahead and do that. You know what I mean? Alright, let's try with a little bit of barbecue sauce. Oh yeah. I don't like it as much with the barbecue sauce as I do with the sweet heat. Whew. That right there. That chicken was so good. It was so good. So my final thoughts on that chicken sandwich, as y'all can see, it is gone. It is demolished. That thing, hands down. I'm sorry, Chick-fil-A, but that sandwich got y'all beat. That sandwich got y'all beat. I'm gonna have to say Popeyes chicken got that. Yes, they do. Would I go buy that thing again? I sure would, because I love me some chicken. I didn't even get to my french fries. I was eating my french fries, but Lord Jesus Christ, that chicken will fill you up too. But y'all, if y'all haven't tried that chicken sandwich, y'all need to go try that chicken sandwich. Yes, y'all need to go try it. So on that note, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And not only that, click that notification button just so you can get informed of my next video that's coming up. Don't you know? Y'all, I want to give a couple of shout outs right quick because I want to tell all you guys how much you guys have been supporting me and giving me encouragement, and I definitely love that. So I want to give a shout out to Mrs. Gemini Beauty. That's right, baby. So if you guys haven't checked her out, go check out her channel. I want to give a shout out to Miss Virgo. That's right, she be live streaming it and making you laugh. I'm trying to tell you. So if you ain't got on that, y'all need to get on that because she be doing it up. I also want to give a shout out to Miss Bam. That's right, girl. She be eating them good old good goods. Yes. I be checking her out all the time, and she be eating that good little food. I'm telling you, she be just eating it all up. And then I want to give a shout out to Mrs. Mukbang in Things. That's right, boo. I haven't forgot about you. And I also want to give a shout out to one and the only, last but not least, my son. Comedy Gold YouTube channel. Y'all gotta type all that out. I'm talking about Comedy Gold YouTube channel. If y'all haven't checked this brother out, y'all need to go check him out because he is hilarious. So go check these channels out. And if y'all want to get shouted out in my next mukbang or either my next recipe, because y'all know I'll be cooking up some recipes and also be doing some mukbangs. So that's what I figured that you would like. After I do a mukbang, I also throw in that recipe for y'all. But on that same note, now, y'all, stay healthy, stay strong, stay in the spirit, stay creative. And with that,